To indicate topic or subject. Talk about, think about, worry about. We need to talk about your plans for the weekend. I've been thinking about starting a new project. She's always worried about her exams. To express approximation or estimation. About 10 minutes, about $5, about 100 people. The meeting will last about 10 minutes. It costs about $5 for a ticket. There were about 100 people at the event. To indicate reason or cause, care about, think about, feel about. She doesn't care about what others think. I've been thinking about your offer all day. He's not sure how to feel about the decision. To express movement or direction. Go about, walk about, move about. Let's go about the city and explore. She loves to walk about the park in the morning. People started to move about as the event finished. To indicate the manner or process, talk about, read about, learn about. I want to talk about our next steps. I read about the new technology yesterday. We need to learn about the new system before we start. To express a general situation or context. Think about, speak about, feel about. We should think about the impact of our actions. He's always ready to speak about his experiences. She didn't know how to feel about the news. Common collocations with about. About time, about to, about you. It's about time we finished this project. I was just about to leave when you called. What do you think about you moving to a new city?